Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Forum video. So in today's news, there's some sad news related to a well-loved, I guess, Android phone or series, should I say. And yes, guys, I am talking about the Essential phone or PH1. So today basically is the death of it. And actually, I will show you a little bit more information on that in just a little bit. But let's see. So guys, this is coming directly from the founder of Android, basically one of the founders of Android, which was Andy Rubin. So shout outs to him. You know, he was, how should I say, he had the balls to go ahead and develop a phone that was supposed to be, you know, all stock Android. It was supposed to be the best thing out there. You know, everybody was hyped. I remember when this phone was kind of announced about 2017, so about a year ago, almost 2 years ago. And you know, there's so much hype for this phone. And then after it came out, I mean, this phone just got trashed. I mean, it was pretty bad. I didn't even pick it up when it was on sale, you know, just because all the bad reviews and the price that it got, the camera was trash. I mean, it was horrible, you know. The phone did look nice and probably had the best little notch ever of any phones, really. You know, it had kind of like a U, like a little U-shaped little notch where the camera went versus like Apple's, you know, crazy big notch and this other stuff. But let's get more into today's news. So right now, guys, the phone is currently out of stock, and I'll show you in the page. But if you go to Essential's website, you know, essential.com, whatever it is, you will see that all the colors are actually out of stock. So we'll say out of stock. Like I said, I will show you here in the screen in just a little bit, but once you scroll down, you will see it says out of stock. And you might be saying, oh, okay, it's out of stock, but more will come. No, guys, they're not going to make any more. They're, like I said, one of the founders of this phone that made it is saying it's not coming. So don't even, you know, hold your breath. Now, remember, this phone when it came out was about $700 or $800. I believe it was $699 or $799. I don't know, but it was crazy expensive. And that's why I didn't pick it up. I was like, for this price, might as well get a freaking iPhone or something, you know. But I do understand, you know, what they were trying to do when it first came out. And of course, my phone would go off. But I do understand what they're trying to do. Maybe at the time there was a lot of technology in it. Like I said, I don't know. I didn't pick it up. I thought it was stupid expensive to even spend that much on a phone. I usually wait for reviews. And yeah, good thing I waited because everybody trashed the phone. Now, this phone, after the dismal, I would say, sales that didn't do so good, you know, it started going on sale, and a lot of sales it did. And Best Buy was on sale for like $500 for the longest time. Then Amazon had it on sale. Their Prime Day, the best you could get the phone was $250 on Prime Day. Like I said, same thing. I'll show you little snippets here and there in this video so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, the phone was $250 you can get on Prime Day, which is pretty good, you know. At that price, maybe I would have picked it up. You know, if they started it at that price, even $300, more people would have picked it up. But like I said, probably in 2017 when they were making this and all that technology was going into the phone, it just probably wasn't feasible for them. Same thing if you go to Best Buy, guys. The current unlocked model now shows no longer available. And I'm also getting these news by DroidLife.com, so shout outs to them. So if you go to, like I said, bestbuy.com, it will say no longer available. The only copy that you can, or the only version that's actually sold by Best Buy currently right now that you can get is the Sprint version. A lot of people are actually selling the Sprint version on like eBay for like $100, like $100 to about $150, which is pretty good, really good price, should I say, for that phone. Now remember, this is used, not brand new, so just keep track of that. And this is a Sprint model, not the unlocked version. Another thing, the unlocked variant of this phone you could actually use with Boost Mobile, Sprint, AT&T, Verizon. It didn't matter, you know, it was fully unlocked. You could use it anywhere, which was pretty cool. That's another thing that was going for this phone, should I say. It was fully unlocked. So yes, you could, if you can pick one up for $100, you know, through like eBay, maybe an unlocked version, the unlocked version might be able to pick it up for maybe $200. Remember, it will work with Boost Mobile. Even I believe the Sprint version should work as well, but I know the unlocked one definitely works. So yeah, that's the only model you can actually get brand new right now at Best Buy is the Sprint model, which is pretty cool. So here's I'm gonna give you the official statement from from Essential. Like I said, droidlife.com was able to get this email back to them, so shout out to them. So like I said, they are killing off the Essential. They're not going to be making any more models, guys. They're not, like I said, once they're out of stock, they're out of stock, and they're out of stock. But it might be the end to the Essential Phone 1, but I'm pretty sure they're working on, and they do claim here they're working on the version 2 or a new phone. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be the Essential Phone 2. Hopefully that one's a lot better and better priced, just for the common consumer, you know. So so let's get into it. They're talking about how they were going to have a home hub, and that's kind of gone, you know, basically to the trash. With especially they're trying to compete now with, like, you know, Google, Amazon, and Siri, should I say? It wouldn't have done anything, but but let's go ahead and check it out, guys. But like I said, before I read this or quote this comment from Essential, like I said, you must have heard it all the way in the news. I mean, big YouTubers, you know, have trashed his phone since day one, and some of them bigger ones have tried to kind of say, oh well, if you download the pixel camera, it's gonna look a lot better, and maybe it did, but just the camera wasn't there, the lens wasn't there, the autofocusing wasn't there. I don't know, guys. I heard it overheated, and it just wasn't that good. But like I said, if you picked it up for about 200, 300, or whatever, 250, it's a steal. I mean, it's a good phone. Like I said, it does all that cool stuff. But if you picked it up for $700-800, yeah, no, it's not worth it at all. All right, so here's an official statement from Essential. It says, we are sold out on Essential Phone on essential.com and won't be adding any new inventory. We are now hard at work on our next mobile product and will continue to sell accessories and provide speedy software updates and customer support to our existing community. Now, I must say, after reading that, that is true. That's pretty cool that they're not just going to fully cut, you know, the limb off, you know, off of Essential. They're still going to support via, like, you know, software updates, accessories too. So like cases, the camera, whatever, the 360 camera. So that's pretty cool. They're not just gonna trash the phone and just, oh, you're having trouble, oh well. They're still going to support the phone, so that's pretty cool. So all the customers that bought theirs and love their phone, shout outs to them. You know, they will get more software updates and all that stuff. Now, like I said, here in the statement saying that they are working on their next phone, which is pretty exciting. I'm excited to kind of see what that will be. And like I said, it's sad news, but it's good news too that hopefully the Essential Phone 2 is not a flop for what it was. So that's my news on it, guys. Like I said, brought to you by droidlife.com. Check them out. But yes, Essential Phone, the first one at least, is finally dead. Rest in peace, you know. Like I said, if you can find it through eBay, the used variants, I mean, it might be worth picking it up, especially right now that's pretty cheap. So yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. Did you decide to pick up an Essential? Have you used one on Boost? Have you used one on Cricket or Metro or anything like that? Let me know. Are you going to try to find maybe a pre-owned model on eBay or even a third-party seller on Amazon? Like I said, let me know. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Please check out my website in the description below. And also, if you want, you can donate via my PayPal. It does help the channel out a lot. And you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, that promo code is Sanchez45973, you will save $5. Thank you, guys.